2025 Nissan Kicks SV. This is a two-wheel drive model, and we're looking at the spare tire. This does not come with a spare. It comes with a slime kit or an inflator kit, whatever you want to call it, basically for tire repair on the side of the road. If you want a spare tire, we have a kit available. You can find the link in the description. But let's hop in here. I want to show you the floor of this thing. All right, as you can see, the floor in the SV it's a little bit different than the SR. This is going to fold open for you, easy access. You've got an inflator kit and the slime, just like you do on the SR. You do have this mounting nut down here, or mounting stud, whatever you want to call it. I was unable to get that to work with the spare tire, so I'm not really sure what that's for. But yeah, just to demonstrate that the spare tire does fit in here, I'll show you guys, and there you go. And like I said before, we have this kit available on our website, and there, easy to pull out. You're going to be missing some tools. If you need some tools, you can buy the Nissan ones, or you can source some aftermarket, universal, jack, whichever suits your budget. But there you go. As you can see on the SR model, when you lift the floor, you've got the foam, sort of the floor back here, and then you have an inflator kit, and then you also get a little jar of goo. That's just to repair your tire, but if you want to add a spare, you can. You just have to remove this foam floor if you want to put it in there.